Today I'm having a look at the Holden Colorado. It's the dual cab Ute. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Colorado dual cab, there are ISOFix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they were nice and easy to connect to. There's top tether on the back of all three seat backs. Now, I did manage to get 3 child seats in the back here. It was a nice, easy fit. The only difficulty is there's a pulley on either side of this backrest, and you have to pull them both at the same time in order to bring the backrest forward. And then you're just working in this small space, trying to lean over all the child seats to get those top tethers connected and tightened, and then push that seat back into place, which is a bit tricky, but I did manage it for all 3. Storage in the front of the Colorado is pretty minimal. There are 2 cup spaces in the central console. One will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup, and the one behind it will only hold a 600ml, but it does obstruct the central console box lid. In there, that is quite small, and you've got your charging point for your phone in there. In front of the gear lever is a really tiny little space that I've been juggling between my phone and my sunglasses. The glove box is quite small as well. I did manage to get my wallet and my iPad in there, but it is quite small. There is a little space on top of the dashboard that you could store things in as well. And the door bins in the front, you can get a large refillable water bottle in them, and there is the little wells in the door handles. Storage in the back of the Colorado is very minimal. There is only the door bins, and they will only fit a 600ml. A large refillable water bottle won't fit, and there are the little wells in the door handles too. Let's find out how much we can fit in the tray of the Holden Colorado. Empty, it will hold 29 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet Twin Stroller and 19 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex Tandem Stroller and 21 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle Single Stroller and 21 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano Compact Stroller and 25 shopping bags. The Colorado is an enjoyable Ute to drive. I feel like it does have a tighter turning circle than most of the Utes I've tested, and it does have a bit of grunt, and it is a bit loud when you're accelerating, but that's to be expected of a Ute like this. The media system in the Colorado is quite basic, however it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is great. And when I put it in reverse, the camera image is actually nice and clear and not a bad size. So to sum up with the Holden Colorado, it has got some fantastic family-friendly features, and you can't go past the amount of interior space as a family Ute. Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.